These days, you just don't understand how easy it is to make money with the power of AI and social media. It is truly remarkable. People are making substantial incomes, exceeding $10,000 monthly, with simple short-form videos. However, as the market becomes increasingly saturated, doubts arose regarding the viability of making money this way. That's when an ingenious idea dawned upon me. While many content creators spend hours crafting just a few videos each day, imagine the possibilities if you could generate 500 videos in under 10 minutes. Suddenly, it wasn't just about producing high-quality content. It was about leveraging sheer volume to stand out in the crowd. Let's delve into the critical part of our process. Here's the plan. Start by opening ChatGPT, an invaluable tool available completely free of charge. With ChatGPT, we'll effortlessly craft scripts for our videos. Simply input the same prompt I'm using, then hit the generate button. The resulting script covers an array of factual topics, ranging from psychology to relationships and beyond. Rest assured, the prompt I'm utilizing consistently yields accurate results. If you're feeling adventurous, feel free to experiment with different styles. Once you've generated the initial script, repeat the process to create additional scripts. Ensure each new script is distinct by using the prompt, create 50 more in the same style without duplicating any previous ones. This method ensures a diverse range of scripts to work with, giving us ample material for our videos. Once our script is ready, the next step is to open Canva. Here's a handy trick to get everything done for free. Canva offers a pro trial that lasts for 30 days. Simply sign up for the trial and remember to cancel the billing plan before it ends. This way, you can use Canva Pro without any cost, ensuring that all your videos look polished and professional. Once you've opened Canva, search for YouTube Shorts and select it. Then, click Create a Blank to start your new project. Next, navigate to the video section and search for a topic you like. Personally, I prefer using themes like nature and galaxies. Type in your topic, and you'll see a broad range of videos appear. Find a vertical video that appeals to you and open it. For example, I'll use this one. If the video isn't fitted correctly, adjust it by dragging the corners to fill the entire page. Now, let's make the video shorter. I prefer to create videos that are 5 to 6 seconds long because they perform best in short-form engagement. If the video has audio, just click on the page and adjust the volume to 0. To adjust the volume if the video contains audio, simply click on the page and reduce the volume to 0 using the volume button. Now, let's proceed with adding text. Navigate to the text section and select Heading. This action will automatically place the text into your video. Let's label this text section as Topic. To enhance its visual appeal, let's explore the effects options and consider adding a background. If the background isn't automatically set to black, you can manually adjust it using the color picker feature. Once set, drag the topic to the top of the video and resize it slightly by dragging the corners. Ensuring proper centering will improve its overall appearance. With Canva offering a wide range of fonts, take your time to select one that aligns with your aesthetic preferences. For instance, the Anton font might be a suitable choice. Now right-click on the topic and choose Duplicate. This duplication is necessary as we're about to create both Part 1 and Part 2 sections. Drag down the duplicate and label it as Part 1. Remove the background and apply an outline effect by selecting Outline in the Effects section. Adjust the outline color to black and set the thickness to around 130 for optimal visibility. To create the second part, simply duplicate Part 1 and rename it accordingly. Once all sections are in place, ensure the alignment of the text section line to the purple sidelines to maintain proper centering. Right-click on the Part 1 section and select Show Timing. This feature allows precise timing adjustments, crucial for ensuring seamless transitions between segments. Set Part 1 to last 4 seconds, followed by the appearance of Part 2. This strategic timing encourages viewer engagement and increases the likelihood of video rewatching. Repeat the timing adjustment process for Part 2, keeping it to a 2-second duration. This meticulous setup ensures a smooth flow of information, with the first fact seamlessly transitioning into the second in the final moments of the video presentation. Now, here's a little-known trick that many of you might not be aware of. Head over to the App section, and there you'll stumble upon a hidden gem called Bulk Create. Click on it, and then return to ChatGPT. Now, it's time to copy the script we generated earlier. Make sure to select everything from the topic section to the end. Once you've copied the script, return to Canva and select Enter Data manually. Click on the Name section and paste the script you just copied. Voila! Your script is now imported into Canva. Just click Done to proceed. Now let's connect the script to your video. Right-click on the topic section and choose Connect Data. Select Topic, and there you go, it's connected. Repeat this process for the 2 parts, ensuring they're correctly linked. Part 1 should connect with the first part of the script, and Part 2 with the second. With everything neatly connected, hit Continue and double-check if all elements are selected. If everything looks good, click on Generate Designs. Canva will work its magic and automatically create the videos based on your script. Imagine that. Within minutes, you'll have 50 unique videos ready to go. It's mind-blowing, isn't it? Now, it's time to bring your creations to life. Let's export those videos. Head over to the Share option, then click on Download. Ensure that you select Download pages as separate files to keep everything organized. Once you've made your selections, hit that download button, and voila, your videos will start downloading. And just like that, you're all set and ready to go. Let's dive deeper into the customization process to really elevate the quality of your videos. Once you've imported all your created videos into CapCut, take your time to carefully select the one you want to give that extra touch. Adding background music can truly enhance the viewing experience, so let's start there. Explore various genres and styles of free background music on YouTube until you find the perfect match for your content. Once you've found it, convert the video to an MP3 using any reliable online converter. Now, let's blend that music seamlessly with your video by adjusting the volume levels and ensuring a smooth fade-in and fade-out effect for a professional touch. But why stop there? Let's sprinkle in some sound effects to really captivate your audience. From subtle tones to impactful sounds, CapCut offers a diverse library to choose from. Perhaps a gentle chime at the beginning can set the tone, or a subtle whoosh effect can add a touch of excitement to transitions. And let's not forget about animations. Adding dynamic animations can take your videos to the next level. Explore CapCut's array of effects and experiment until you find the perfect combination that brings your content to life. Once you've meticulously crafted your masterpiece, it's time to export it. Opt for the highest quality settings, such as 1080p resolution and 60 frames per second, to ensure your videos are crystal clear and visually stunning. With these extra touches, your videos will not only look more polished, but also engage your audience on a deeper level. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and let your content shine like never before. Now, you might be wondering, how can I turn these amazing videos into a source of income? Well, let me break it down for you. You can monetize your content on 3 major platforms: YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. On YouTube, you can earn revenue through ad monetization. However, to qualify for this, you'll need to reach certain milestones, including 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views. With YouTube Shorts, you can earn anywhere from 0.01 to 0.06 per 1,000 views. On Instagram, once you've built up a solid engagement with your audience, you can explore opportunities like account reselling and shoutouts. Shoutouts alone can fetch you anywhere from $50 to $500, depending on your reach and influence. Now, let's talk TikTok. With TikTok's creativity program beta and account reselling, there's potential to earn significant income. By creating 1-minute-long videos, you can earn up to $1 per $1,000 views. And here's a little bonus tip for you. You can monetize your content across all platforms using affiliate sales, even if you don't have a massive following. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate sales and how to get started, I've got a video that covers everything you need to know. So take this newfound knowledge, dive into the world of monetization, and I'll catch you in the next video.